Hello, card collectors. Today, we're diving into the ultimate protection solution for your prized collection with the Hobby Defense Graded Sports Card Storage Box. This premium, black diamond rectangular case is crafted from the highest quality materials, offering water resistance and unmatched durability to safeguard your valuable cards. Designed by collectors for collectors, it features TSA dial combination locks from YIF, ensuring your collection is secure yet easily accessible. Inside, the DuraGuard EVA foam cradles up to 105 slabs, protecting them from damage while keeping them organized with 6 foam dividers, perfect for cards from grading companies like BGS, CSG, SGA, and PSA. Whether you're showcasing your Zion, Brady, or Ohtani cards, this lightweight case, complete with an adjustable shoulder strap and extra padded handle, ensures you travel in style and comfort. Say goodbye to black flakes and hello to peace of mind with the Hobby Defense Graded Sports Card Storage Box, your collection's new best friend. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.